And you are watching a Hyper IT Sec channel. In this video we are going to show you that how we can take the snapshot over the VMware ESXi. So if you want to take backup or snapshot, you can take through this way forward. So I'm going to show you the easy way forward that how you can take the snapshot. Let's start the video. Let me open my VMware. I have to open on Safari. Wait for a second. Now this is the interface of VMware ESXi. We have to click onto the virtual machine, and we can take backup of any machine through the snapshot. Let's say I want to take backup of my Kali Linux. So once you click onto the Kali Linux, you will be inside the Kali Linux option. If you double click on it, definitely you will see your virtual machine. And if you click onto the action button, then you have to check the snapshot. Now you have to click onto the take snapshot. You have to give it the name. I request you to give the name along with the date, so that you should always remember that when you took this backup. So let's say Kali, today's and 25th July. Once we type the name, then we have to click take snapshot. So it will take not more than 5 to 10 seconds, not more than that. Once the snapshot is completed, so now you are at the safe side. If the machine get crashed, then you can restore it at any time. So in this video, I'm also going to show you that how you can restore it. I will not restore it because it is the production environment. So I'm going to show you that how you can restore it. It is pretty much simple. Click onto the action, go into the snapshot, then restore in the snapshot. But never click on this option, because it will always restore the last backup. Let's say if you want to restore 2 months previous backup, then it will not do it. So if you want to restore previous backup, then you have to simply click on it onto the previous snapshot, and it will give you option of, are you sure you want to click that? You have to do that. But let's say if you want to restore 2 months previous snapshot, that in that case you have to click onto the manage snapshot. So I request you, always it is recommended that you have to restore the snapshot through the manage option. So go into the manage snapshot, then you will see a hierarchy. This one is the previous snapshot, 25th July, and you are here. So when you will take 3 to 4 times backups, you will get entire hierarchy. So you have to restore whatever you want. So last backup is 25th July. So click on that and just restore a snapshot, and it will be restored within 5 to 10 seconds, not more than that. So thank you so much for watching this video. Like, subscribe our channel, and forward to your family and friends. Hope and see you in the next video. Thank you so much. Bye bye guys.